What is up, guys? Welcome back to Frosted Tech. So today is a very special day because as you know, my computer has been down for quite a few weeks now because I've been sending off my solid states to get repaired. I do not want to work with Samsung anymore, so I reached out to a company called Crucial, and they were kind enough to send me out their new MX500 2.5-inch solid state. This is a 500 gig model. It comes in a 1 terabyte and a 2 terabyte model as well. It's a little shame, you know, I didn't get my hands on the 1 terabyte or the 2 terabyte, but that's okay. I don't use the solid states as my main transfer file, you know, drives anyway. I use them basically for my operating system, put a few games on them, so not too much. This solid state, however, is brand new for the late 2017 and early 2018. And let's go ahead and unbox it because it's got a lot going on inside of it. It's got VNAND technology up to 64 layers. I mean, this thing is quite impressive. So let's go ahead. Basically, guys, I just didn't want to work with Samsung anymore. As you know, like my Samsung TV crashed twice in a year. My phone crashed with them. My solid states, one after the other. So I had one that crashed and lost all my files, including my operating system. So I had to buy a completely new operating system because it was a free download from 8.1 to 10, and then you guys all remember that it went dead June of 2017 or something like that. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. I am excited. So here's a get started guide right inside. Guys, by the way, I will leave a link in the description down below for this solid state if you guys want to pick one up. So this is what you're met with inside the box. This is just going to be an unboxing and overview. If you guys want a full review, make sure you leave a like and a comment down below and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. And this has got a 7mm to 9mm adapter plate. Not quite sure what that's used for. Maybe it's just to protect it? I don't know. Who knows? Anyways, guys, so we'll just set that out to the side for now. So that's pretty much all that's in the box. Not too much inside there. So you have a get started guide, and then you have the Crucial 500 gig solid state drive itself. So 6 gigabytes per second SATA. I mean, it's a SATA drive. Everything is normal about it. It's a solid state. I mean, what more can you ask for? It does use the VNAND technology that most solid states are using nowadays, but this is actually a little bit improved. It has data loss prevention, you know, all kinds, like power loss prevention, has all kinds of different things going on with it. So I wanted to show you guys this. I can show you a little bit more like speeds and stuff like that when I get my computer booted up finally, but I have to install Windows 10 again and basically start all over. If any of you have ever done that, you know it's very, very frustrating. And I'll have to wipe all my drives and everything, so it's not fun. So anyways, guys, shout out to Crucial for sending me this out and sending this out to me. And we'll go ahead and get this installed. I'll get my Windows 10 installed. Just give you guys a little pan of the setup if you haven't seen it or anything. This is actually a little pan of the setup. We're just redoing it a little bit. Not really going on, too much going on. We got a, I don't know, it's roughly $4,000 or $5,000 PC down below. I mean, YouTube is amazing. But you can do a lot of things on YouTube, basically. So anyways, guys, just playing some PUBG over here today. I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed for you guys, and let's go ahead and let's try to get 100 likes in this video. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Also, visit the link down below to pick up this Crucial drive if you want to. I think the 500 gig is running about 130, 140, so not too bad for a 500 gig solid state. And it's the fastest one in the market right now, in my eyes. And anyways, guys, I did a little bit of reviews on it and watched some reviews, and it looks pretty cool. But anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Stay frosty.